Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real shares, my real money, my real positions. And we're joined every day by investors and traders from all around the world who equally share with you their live trades, their real positions, their money, what they're doing. We have cash giveaways. We help support charities. We're here to build a community and hopefully become the best YouTube channel in the world. Unlike Mr. Beast, who gives away his other people's money, I give away my own money. It's not very much money I have, but I do share what I have, and we have one of the most engaging channels on YouTube. People support our channel and follow us every day, opening bell, closing bell, every day. Excuse me, I've got a Coke here and I've just been drinking it. I do apologise. It's live, it's real. There you go. Okay, let's get into my live positions, my real money. You can see exactly what I've got here this afternoon. Let's get straight into it. It's been a good day so far today. It's been pretty good. Everyone's been happy today. Everything's going well. This is my portfolio. I'm up 5%. Very, very nice indeed. Looking good. And let's get straight into it. As you can see, the Vanguard S&P, this is my biggest part of my portfolio. This is 21.2% of my portfolio, and it should be. It's the most stable part of your portfolio. It's not rock and roll. It's not sexy. It's not exciting, but it's exciting to make money in a stable way. Over 90 years has returned a good return. Plus, it has a good dividend. So there we go. Very, very nice indeed. Welcome, CMV Studio. Tom is here as well. Lovely to have Tom. One of our moderators is here. And we're very excited today because hopefully, Tom, get yourself over there on YouTube, Twitch, mate. We've got one follower, one viewer just come in. We need at least 3 today. And tomorrow we might be affiliates. So get yourself into Twitch right now at the same time. Let's go through SPCE today. Let's have a look at it. SPCE is down. Oh, it's down a bit today, 2%. Never mind. Am I buying more? No, I'm not buying more because the upside is plenty. I've got enough money in there. I don't need any more. I'm perfectly happy with that. So let's go from here to Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit is also down today, 11% down today. So the fact I'm up 5% shows you, even though Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic are big parts of my portfolio, I'm still doing very well. That's good. That just shows you that my portfolio is strong, and S&P is so important. You need stable stocks. You also need stocks that give you dividends, passive income, at the same time as you have growth stocks that will change the world. And I've got enough here. You can see it. Tesla is the big story of the day. That's what's pumped up my portfolio. Another one that's so important to me. I'm up, today's returns, $896. I'm up actually $178 overall, up 2% on that. Very, very nice. 11.4% today. Very, very good indeed. Rivian is up Rivian is up 12% today. So EV space, you tend to find when Virgin Galactic, Tesla does well, so does Rivian, and so does Lucid. They're all in the same area. You can see I'm up 6.5% on Lucid. Very, very nice indeed. Arrival again. EVs. Look at this. The EV tech stocks today doing great. Okay, we've got one person in now today. We are trying to get the affiliate today. We've got plenty of followers now on Twitch. We just need 3 a day. At least 3 a day, and I average now 2.03. If 4 or 5 today could get into Twitch right now, don't abandon YouTube, but just open a second tab. We could be an affiliate on on Twitter tomorrow, because we are just over 2 at average now. If I can get 4 people to get in there now, and let me see if you can do that for me. I've got 1 right now. I need at least 3, hopefully 4 or 5 would be an affiliate tomorrow, which means our channel will get promoted and we'll have better quality for our guests. And it would also promote our YouTube channel. So there you go. Get involved. Get yourself onto Twitch today. All right. Amazon 2.47, 2.47. This is looking good today. Nice. I'm still down nearly 12%, but I'm holding it. And Apple today is up 3.46. I'm still down 11% there, but I'm holding a good position there. 7% of my portfolio. I'm the one on Twitch. Mittens Y. Thank you so much indeed. Great stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Love it. Thank you so much indeed. Mittens Y. Don't forget to keep your YouTube open. All we're trying to do is get to become an affiliate so we can promote our Twitch to promote our YouTube. That's the idea. But YouTube is where you really want to be. We just want that open as a second tab, if that makes sense. How much am I up today, Caden Youngquist? I am up 1,510. 1,510, which is 4.98% my portfolio today. So despite I am down 2% on Virgin Galactic, despite I'm down 11% on Virgin Orbit, if you take those out of the equation, I would have been up somewhere in the region of 8%, something like that would have been good. But that's all right. It's the overall portfolio that really counts at the end of the day. Robinhood Neo is amazing. I'm not really a Chinese fan, as you know. Don't like the manipulation. Don't like that sort of stuff. Anyway, let's have a little look. How are we doing? We've got 2 viewers now on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. 2. We're nearly there. Just a couple more. James M, having 2 screens open on mobile is hard. Yeah, on your mobile, forget it. Forget it, James. You can't do it on your mobile. That's all right. Be in YouTube. Forget it. It's people on iPads and computers who can do it. But there you go. That's all we need. Anyway, thank you very much for trying. Is the green room open? The broadcast lounge is not open at the moment. Let me go in and open it up. Okay, the broadcast lounge is now open. So my members of the Day Trader YouTube channel, you can call in this afternoon if you wish to have your say and be live on the show. McDonald's looking very nice today. Still down 2%, but I'm very happy with that. Coca-Cola, great, up 2.32. Let's have a look. Market profit, good day to unwind some of those frothy stocks from your portfolio and buy some space. Space, quite oversold right now. Thank you very much for that wisdom. That sounds good. I like that. I don't have any money to spend, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't have any money at all. This is margin available to me, so I don't have any money available to spend. All I'm doing is trying to take off some of my stocks that are doing well. Mr. Blue 68, how are you? You're over on Twitch as well. We got 2. Just need 2 more people in Twitch. We need to get 4 at least today, and then we could be an affiliate tomorrow. So thank you to all of you. Robbie Cooper, hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm well. Lovely to have you back with us today. Great stuff. Okay, let's have a look. Bitcoin SV is down 0.72 today. Still up nearly 16% though, so I'm very happy with that. Enphase Energy is up 5.82. Do you want me to call in about WEX EV? That would be nice, Tom. A little bit early though. Wait till it gets busier. Wait till it gets busier, but yeah, be great. We'll be here for an hour, just gone 3 o'clock. So about an hour from now, we're all done. So call in the next 20 minutes, half an hour, be perfect. Ginkgo Bioworks, this is one I want to get rid of when it makes any sort of money at all. Tilray Brands, or even a wash, Tilray Brands. If I can make another couple $100, I would start to get rid of some of it. Someone come join on Twitch. Yeah, we just need 2 more people. 2 more people. We have to average 3 a day, and we are now average 2.09. It's over a 30-day period. Once I can hit average of 3 a day, you become an affiliate and you never lose it. So hopefully that could happen today, and it will show up tomorrow. Why is the market up, Martin? Well, for me, the markets have experienced 6 months now, 6 months of selling. We've had fear, we've had recession, we've had a war. We still have a war. That's why I'm still wearing the black tie. You know I started that. And we've had inflation. We had all these things. Well, inflation is coming under control. We thought we'd peak last month, but it went up again. Maybe we'll peak this month. recession's here, which means we're approaching the bottom. Doesn't mean we're at the bottom. Mr. Blue said the bottom was in last week. I don't know about that, but we're getting close to the bottom. Oversold conditions. Yep, stuff now has been oversold. People have got out and sold too much. So that's another thing. So now is a buying opportunity for the right stocks. A buying opportunity for the right stocks. Now today, I don't know if you saw this. I have a competition video. I scrubbed the... Well, this is my competition video today, all right? And I'm going to give a $10 cash prize away on Friday. This is it. And I'd love you to help me watch this one. I'd love you to watch this one for me. Here it is in the chat. Please watch it all the way through. So don't watch it until the end. Really, watch it. In fact, I'll give it to everybody at the end. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it everybody at the end because I need everyone to watch it all the way through for a cash prize, but I'll do it at the end. All right. Okay. Have you seen Rev today? I'm not in it anymore. I used to be. Let me have a quick look. How's it doing? How's Rev doing? R-E-V. Rev. Revlon. Is that the one you mean? Revlon, is that the cosmetic company? Revlon. Let me have a look. Yes, it is. Bloody hell, look at that. 82% in a day. Wow, look at that. Oh, I bet you wish you had Revlon this morning. It's it's nearly doubled in price. Look at that. Now, don't go and buy it now, for God's sake. Whatever you do, don't jump on it now. Obviously, something's going on there. Revlon, look at that. That's a story of the day. No idea what that's all about, but there we go. Bit of an exciting one, no question about it. But I don't know why that is. But thanks for letting me know, though. Oversold conditions, market profit says, and quarter end window dressing. July will see another leg down. There we go. July will see another leg down. Well, we certainly hope not. Martin, I think the market will go bullish. Well, we certainly hope so. Market profit might be right, though. He's been right for the last few months when we were all getting carried away. He was the yin to the yang to the yin, the balance of the scales. So there we go. We appreciate market profit. People are getting over their fear of losing. What's that? FOL. I know what FOMO is. Fear of losing everything. Is that what that is? I'm guessing that's what it is. Bottom is nowhere in sight. This would be the shortest bear market in history as we enter into recession. Fear of losing everything. Yeah, I guess right. Opposite of FOMO. Good evening, ladies. Oh, Paul B, we're so sorry you missed your giveaway this morning. It was very, very successful. People absolutely loved it. We gave away your Dogecoin. As you can see from my portfolio, I have none. You're able to send all. You can't sell all. It always keeps the wallet open. But if you send all, it closes it. Look, my Doge has all gone. My Doge has all gone. I've got no Doge. And everybody loved it. So it was sponsored by you. I told everybody to thank you. They all did the thank you, Paul B. And it was very popular. So I'm really shame you missed it. We kept calling out for you. We wanted you to be here because it was really nice of you to sponsor it. But it was won by a non-member who's been watching the show for a while. He's now over on Discord. So really nice. Anyway, tech stocks have been getting hammered since November. They have bottomed. Now, tech stocks bottomed. Well, Virgin Galactic certainly didn't today. It's one of my favourite stocks, but I'm down 10% on it at the moment, but I'm holding it. Rev came up with another vehicle rivaling Tesla. Robbie Cooper, I've not heard that. Thank you for sharing that. If you're over on TikTok, I want to say hello to everybody on TikTok. Lovely to have you here. Be very, very wary of the copycats. I have over 100 copycats on TikTok pretending to be me. You know they're not me. Because one, I'm always live, they're never live. Two, I spell my name correctly. Martyn Lucas doesn't have a Z in it or a dot in it. Three, I never ask for your WhatsApp or your Telegram. Four, I've got nearly 18,000 followers. They have none. And if you look at the top of my TikTok profile, I had a video yesterday that has 250,000 views. So you know I am the real Martyn Lucas. Also, I will never, ever, ever message you unless I'm a friend of yours on TikTok. And I only have 18, I'm only following 18 people that have followed me. So I only have 18 friends. So for the 99.999% of you, I will never, ever send you a message. I don't spam you. I don't try and sell you anything. But what I do is give away free cash prizes. This morning, I gave away all my Dogecoin for free. No purchase necessary. And we do all of that on YouTube. So it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Come into YouTube right now. The link's in the profile. You can talk to my traders, my investors. Everything you see is real. This is my YouTube show right now. This is my real money, my real positions. If you want to be part of it, thanks for the follow. I'm from Cornwall. Duck Doos. I'm also from Cornwall, from Truro in Cornwall. It's lovely to have you here. Proper job, my booty, my handsome, lovely to see you, my lover. Come over to YouTube right now, and I'd love to get to know you. And I can show you my TV studio from there. You can't see it here on the phone. I will share with you my TV studio, and I'd love to get to meet you and come over and join the family. We are a family. We go live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. We've raised over $1 million for my charities on YouTube in this studio, and we're here for everyone. Anyone can have a fundraiser for free. You keep all the money. I take nothing in return. I just like to do it. So join us over here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. I know you and Guy. Fantastic. How's Guy doing? So it sounds like I've got one of my mates from Cornwall here. Pop on into YouTube. I've got to go back to my audience right now. Okay, let's have a look. Market profit. What did Paul B say? Yo can't. Had to do babysitting duties. Okay, you couldn't make it. Let's have a look. Market profit is in the grip of FOMO. It's dangerous to your wealth as FOMO, indeed. Pleased to hear it went well. Sorry couldn't be here. Had to look at the niece and nephew. Yes, more important, you're taking care of your family. I'm taking care of the online family. You're taking care of your actual family there. Very nice indeed. Can't find any news on CRSP. Down $6. Sarab, good morning. This is our new member this morning. It's got a green badge. He became a member this morning. Sup, lads? Here he is. Here's Paul. This is Paul B, by the way. This is the guy who sponsored our giveaway today. Very nice. All the Doge we gave away. AR, you gave away all your Dogecoin. Really? Yep. I gave it away as a prize this morning. I give away money all the time. I love helping people, and if you can be in our cash giveaway, we got another cash giveaway coming up. I'm going to announce it in a minute, and I'm going to give away cash this time. So yeah, it costs you nothing. Free to everybody. Absolutely. Virgin Orbit now is 307. Tesla is up 11.6 today. 11.6. Rivian is up 13% today. Awesome stuff. Let's look at my crypto right now. Ethereum is up 1.23. Bitcoin BTC is up 2.41. Martin, please look at high dollar. What is high dollar? Please look at high dollar. Is that a company or... That's not a ticker. What is that? What is high dollar? Loving your setup. Not seen anything like this before. Thank you very much indeed. Let me show you around the whole studio. This is my TV studio. Here it comes. This is the Martyn Lucas music studio. Let me share with you. All right. There you go. This is my TV studio. If I get a $10 super chat in the show, all of these moving heads and smoke and dry ice, it all comes out if I get a $10 super chat. All right? We do that. So what we do, we celebrate people's birthdays. Bloody TikTok. Oh, I hate it. It will not sync to your face. Look at that. There you go. Drives me bonkers. Anyway, it always flares out. There's no way to control the exposure. Anyway, so this is my TV studio. I'm here in Dallas, Texas, but I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. So if our friend who's from Cornwall, who was on TikTok, comes into YouTube, let me know who you are. I'd love to know. Anyway, let's welcome our guest, AR. So I'm from Cornwall, as I said, but I'm here in Dallas, Texas. And let me welcome you to the family. If everybody would please put their cities and countries in. You will see AR, nearly everybody in the chat is a member. Nearly everybody has a badge because they are members, and they get a lot more out of the channel. We promote their YouTube channels. I make videos for people. I promote their channels, help people with their channels. I also put them on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here's the invitation to join. We sing happy birthday for people live in the show if it's your birthday. We do fundraisers for people, all sorts of stuff. We give you access to the exclusive content on YouTube, on Discord, all sorts. Let's have a look. Market Profit says, strong selling pressure into Meta today. Yes, I hate Facebook. I hate Facebook. Here it is. A lot of selling. I want to get out of it. I don't like Facebook. I would not be a fan of the metaverse. And at the end of the day, as Warren Buffett says, don't invest in what you don't like or don't understand or don't have confidence in. And I don't. I hate Facebook. I think Facebook is rubbish. So the only thing I ever get on Facebook is spam and nonsense. So rubbish. I would like to get rid of this one share if I could, honestly. Insiders must know something. Yeah, down 3.5%. I'd like to get out of it, but I'm still holding it. South Africa, Zug. So I've only got one share, but if it can pop up to 0, I'll sell it. Absolutely. Zug from South Africa. We got a lot of friends from South Africa. Zug, lovely to have you here. Pyongyang. Oh, yeah. What's all this constant North Korea stuff you keep going on about, Paul B? What is it all about? Anyway, AR, one of our guests. But do you get to talk to your number one DJ via... Yeah, but you do get to talk to your number one DJ via Facebook, though. This is true. Found the news. Meta will change its ad delivery system to address concerns that it violates the Fair Housing Act by discriminating against users as part of a settlement with a federal regulator. That's what's hurt. Ad revenue will get hit on that one. There we go. Is it time to get out of Facebook and take the $34 loss? It's a big loss, 16%. Remember, it's not about money, it's about percentages. Maryland, James has put his country... Oh, he's put his where he's from. Lovely. We got 4 viewers. Great. We got 4 viewers on Twitch. That's better. If we could get a couple more, we'll average our 3 today. If you're not yet on Twitch, please don't abandon TikTok YouTube for it. But if we can get an average of 3, we're now at 2.09. If we can just do that, I will report back to you tomorrow. It's always one day behind. Just open a second tab. If we can get a couple more people there today, we would do it. And tomorrow it might go over 3. And then we're done. We've become affiliates. All right, let's go back to our main position. Quick sip of Coke first of all. Yeah. Market profit, I think you might be right. Remember, there's no reason to hold Meta. You will not. There's no dividends. It's just growth. It's collapsed recently. It could easily go out of favor. It's down 52% this year. It's continually falling. It's gone. I mean, look at it. Look at that. Over 5 years, it's only up 4%. It's collapsed. It's nowhere near the company it used to be. He's absolutely right. It could well be. In Sainsbury's shopping at the moment, Brick Brack. What a committed member of the family. I'm actually I'm in Sainsbury's, good old Sainsbury's. I've got a song about Sainsbury's. It's Rabbit by Chaz and Dave. If I get $10 super chat, I will do a song which talks about Sainsbury's in the show today, live in the studio. But I need a $10 super chat to cover the copyright that I will lose the money on this show. So there you go. If anybody does that, I will do it for you. Okay, let's go and look at where we are right now. Zuckerberg must have a plan. Well, let's hope so, eh? Doesn't look like it at the moment. I don't know. That's why I only have 1 share. I don't like Facebook. I don't have any passion for Facebook, so gladly sell it. Now then, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. And do you know what? No, I'm going to leave it for a minute. We'll bring Mr. Mini-Me out in a second. It's an absolute cash-generating giant, though. Yes, but not at the moment. Aloha from Waikiki, Hawaii. Philip Sweetman. We've got a guest. we've got a guest, Philip Sweetman. Now, don't forget, we do have the cash giveaway coming up at the end of the show. Who wants to win? This morning, I gave all my Doge away. Who wants to win $10 in cash? Anybody? For free? Anybody want to win $10 in cash? Completely free? Absolutely. I'll give it to you. Who wants to win it? Anybody want 10 bucks? All right. Zuckerberg must have a plan. Martyn, can you explain what ICO in crypto means? I don't know. We've got some crypto experts here. He's a smart lad. I like that. Mark Zuckerberg, he's a smart lad. He might well be a smart lad. You might be right there. I don't know. I'm sure he is, right? He invented Facebook, runs a gazillion-dollar company. Oh, I guess he does. Now, some of you, if you go into the super chat, you will notice that you have a free super chat you can send, celebrating the fact you've been members for a while. If you go and look in the super chat, you might want to celebrate. We do have, of course, our birthday coming up in 5 days, 17 hours, and 2 minutes and 21 seconds from now. We'll be 1 year old. Initial coin offering. There we go. So it's like an IPO. Initial public offering is a stock. Now we know, makes sense. Initial coin offering is when a crypto asset first IPOs then. ICOs. Makes perfect sense. Meta essentially own all social media. Yes, they own WhatsApp. They own Instagram. That's true. Are you trading live with all of us on here via Robinhood? Yes, I am. This is my Robinhood account. This is my real money, by the way. AR, this is my real money. What I do here is I share with you my real money, my real story. All started from $5,000. This is my real assets. Everything you see here is my real trades, all of my money. So you know it's real. We got Patricia and Alicia in here. Right, now then, for our guests today, our guests watching right now, if you want to be a member, you get over 20 perks. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser where you keep all the money for your charity. You can celebrate your birthday for you, on your birthday, for you, the day before, the day of, and day after, for you or a loved one. You can have that. There is the invitation in the chat right now. In the chat right now is the invitation to become a member. From a couple of bucks a month, you can be a bronze member all the way up to silver, gold, sponsor and investor. If you are a member, other than exclusive content, we have member-only streams, member videos. You get celebrations of your birthday, fundraisers. I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. We have cash giveaways. We have fundraisers. We have so much stuff for you. It's unbelievable. I can't believe we do so much, but we do. And also you get access to our Discord. You can talk to all our investors, all our traders. We have great investors that will share with you their live positions. If you are a silver member, we actually put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Let me share with you my YouTube channel a minute. Where have I gone? Where have I gone? Let me bring it up a second. Here we go, the day trader, and you'll see we put you on the homepage of our YouTube channel. And I might even feature someone today. Who shall I give some free subscribers to? Look, we put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Give it a second to load. It just had to reload back in again. There it is. These are all our members. I might feature somebody in a minute. Also, you get access to the Discord as well. Meta has too many smart people for it to fail. Well, we certainly hope so. Alicia is here from Italy. How are you? Good evening, and how are you? And you see all of Martyn's live trades. That's right. I want to win the 10 bucks. All right. If you want to win the 10 bucks, I will give you the video to watch in a minute. Chris, send me your Venmo. There you go. Do you have shares of Pepsi as well, or just a joke? Do you have shares of Pepsi? Just Coke? Yeah, just Coke. What's up, Martyn? Carlos Sanchez, Bowden, Savica, Sheesh, he's here. Rob Brennan. Meta make about $300 billion a year, so they can have a cash generation to invest in new technologies such as the metaverse, although I'm not convinced the metaverse will take off. I don't think so either. I don't know anything about Pepsi, I have to be honest. Ain't got a clue. I only invest in Coke. How Tom, you are doing well. Yeah, Coke sucks. I think Coke's a great stock. Coke's a great stock. Pays a great dividend. It's a good stable asset. I like it. It's part of the S&P 500. Like it a lot. How do I get $10? All right, I'll do the cash giveaway in a minute. Bowden, I'll send you $10. What's your PayPal? Caden Youngquist is just going to send someone $10. What are you on about? What's going on there? I think Caden Youngquist has gone mad. I don't know what he's on about. Giving everybody money. Bill Gates didn't think the internet would take off. There you go. Imagine that. Let's go back to our main position now. Let's have a look. So if you want to be a member, look in your super chat now, guys. Some of you got a free super chat. Escobar was Coke's highest investor. Is that right? I didn't note that. Is that right? I can't comment on that. I have no idea. I've never heard of that. I have to be honest. Right, we just gained another few subscribers. When we get 5,000, we got a big guest, Greg Dickerson, coming back on the show. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Right, we've got Day Trader of the Day. We got our cash giveaway right after. I can give you my BSV wallet address. There you go. You want some free money? I will do it right after this. Here we go. Here comes the ad. Okay, some of you see the ad, some of you don't. That's the way it goes. We got 5 viewers now on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. Hopefully tomorrow now we might have an average of 3. If anybody else could open up a separate tab, do not leave YouTube. Open a separate tab. As long as we get an average of 3 over 30 days, and at the moment, yesterday we were at 1.97. We're now at 2.02, and we got 5 today. We might get 3. We might bump up the average today. I don't know. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm up 4.62. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute. We got a free cash giveaway of $10, and it's free to enter, free for all. I want nothing in return. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. I want to share with everybody some very exciting news. Look about this. This is one of the best ways to promote your YouTube channel. All right. It's one of the best ways. And that is using TikTok. Using TikTok. So let me share with you my TikTok screen. This is the Day Trader. And if you look there, right at the top left. Up here at the left. Can you see 260,000 views? That's in the last 2 days. I've had 250,000 views on Bitcoin crashing. 250,000 views. This is it here. 250,000 views. There you go. Not go to zero. It can go to zero, and it could go to zero. The only thing holding it up now is greed and belief. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't serve any purpose. There you go. There you go. There's my 250,000 views. TikTok grows your channel faster than anything else. Instagram, I don't find Instagram very useful. In fact, anything to do with Facebook doesn't work that well. It used to. But now TikTok by far and YouTube by far are the fastest growing platforms by a mile, by a million miles. Robert Rose, FUD. What's FUD? What's FUD? No FUD here. Everything's real. So all my real money, my real positions. Hold up, let the PM you my PayPal. What's going on here? Robert Rose says FUD. I don't know what you mean by that. Chris Abuba, Caden Young quiz. You need to eat some lamb meat like the Last Supper. What's going on? Margin call soon. Arnold the Palmer. Arnold the Palmer's over on Twitch. We've now got 6 viewers today. You never know. We might get the average of 3 tomorrow now. This is our best ever on Twitch. Thank you much indeed. Buy Bitcoin and make the wealthy even wealthier. Not interested in making the wealthier. I'm just interested in making you guys do well so you can get happy and excited, and myself. And I don't care about Anything else? Right, S&P. Oh, we just got a new subscriber, Kryptonite87. Thank you very much indeed. Virgin Galactic is down big time today. Big time today. Right, we got our cash giveaway in a minute. I'm going to give you a video to watch. So it's coming up in a minute. Should I do it now? Should I do it now? Yeah, okay. I'll do it now. Right, so our next cash giveaway is on Friday. In a couple of days' time, in the opening bell, I'm going to give away a $10 cash prize. I do every Friday. And this time, I've got a video for you. If you want to win it, it's very easy to win. All you got to do, here is the video. It's in the chat now. It's the competition video. You need to watch all the way through the video. If you only watch the first minute or 10 seconds, you won't count. You're wasting your time. If you like the video and leave SPCE in the comments and you watch it all the way through, you will be in the draw. Now, only a handful of people do it properly. This is a few minute video, so you can do it now if you want to, or when I finish the show. It's up to you. And each time you watch it all the way through, you will be in the draw. You get another chance to win. Each time you watch it through, and each time you leave another comment with SPCE in the comments, you will be in the draw. Okay? Very, very good. Very good. And then we'll draw it out on the opening bell on Friday, and the winner will get $10. Great stuff. There you go. Arnold Palmer, because it's what's completely speculative. Why you say that, Arnold? What's going on there? Space, like the news down deserves it. Does it? All right. Crypto does nothing for good for mankind. I'm a winner. I'm a winner, says Caden Youngquist. Well, Caden Youngquist, if you watch it all the way through, like 20 times, you probably will win. But if you try and cheat, it doesn't count. All right. I've had people try that and go, I watched it 20 times. How come I didn't win? Well, it's still random, but you have more chances of winning. You get 20 tickets when somebody else has only got one. But if you watched it for 10 seconds each time, you didn't get any. So there's no point doing that. You're best just watching it all the way through once. It's up to you. You buy some ETH, British friend, under 1,000. You buy some ETH under 1,000. Let's have a look. SPCE. Sarab, not in this video. Not in this video, Sarab. In the video I'm posting in the chat. Here it is. Here's the competition video in the chat. There it is. That's the competition video in the chat. This is the competition video. This is what it looks like. This is the competition video. Right? Virgin Galactic Space Coach. I announced it this morning. The Virgin Galactic Space Coach was seen, and I said it was simply going to get a wash. That's all it was, but a lot of excitement, and there you go. Caden Youngquist, your badge has now turned yellow. Some of you, if you go and check in the super chat, you may have a free super chat now because you've been a member for 3 months, and some of you, your silver will turn gold any day now. Because Moo's turned gold. He's been 3 months. Me, I joined my own channel. I became gold as well. Thank you, Phil Sweeterman. That was a super shout out. I'm living in Waikiki, but I'm from Bournemouth. Philip Sweetman, you're very, very welcome. If you become a member, Philip Sweetman, you can have a birthday celebration or a fundraiser event or priority comments. You can even get featured in the show. You can call into the show. All right, all sorts of stuff. If you become a member of the channel, here is the invitation to join if you wish to be a member of the channel. I'm also going to share with you our Discord now. If you want to chat to our traders and investors, you can. Here is Discord. And right, Sarab has watched the film. Have you watched it all the way through, Sarab? I can see who's watching, and I can see who's watching it all the way through. If you're not watching it all the way through, you won't be included. The Kickstarter link. Okay. Thank you very much, Tom. On the 1st of July, We're starting our Kickstarter. We've now got 17 people registered to go to make a movie at the Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit Space Station. Very, very exciting stuff. If you like space and you're a space fan, let's have a look. We had 17 followers this morning. Let me check and see if we've gained any more than 17. Probably not. No, it's still 17. There we go. 17 followers. Great stuff. Okay. Would love to see either spaceport. Well, Philip Sweetman, if you would like to see the spaceport, if you are a backer of my Kickstarter, you can be with me at the spaceport. You can be on a live video with me. You can ask questions to the space team. You can be involved in the film. You can have credits in the film, have your name in the film, in the credits. This is the Kickstarter campaign. We are going to launch it on July the 1st, live in the show, and we are going to hopefully, fingers crossed, get funded in 1 hour. And if we get funded in 1 hour, we will go viral on Kickstarter, which will promote the YouTube channel, which will promote the whole thing. So there we go. That's what we're trying to do. Okay. I've got some more messages here. Keen Williams, Apple shares. Hi, by the way. Lovely, lovely when people come and say hi. Arrival, Apple. Yes, Apple is up great. I have 26 shares of Apple. Keen Williams, let's give a big shout out to Keen Williams. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our studio. This is the Martyn Lucas Music Studio at the back here. And this is the Day Trader Studio down the front here. And in this studio, we've raised over $1 million for our members. Let me give you a wave. From Dallas, Texas, even though I'm clearly from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Okay, the broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in now. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute. And here is, again, our competition video. If you wish to win, be into a draw for $10 on Friday, all we got to do is watch this video all the way through. Leave a comment with the word SPCE in it. And like the video and you'll be in the draw for Friday. Great stuff. Impressive studio, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. If I get a $10 super chat, I will actually do either one of my own songs or a cover. And the reason why I ask for $10 is it covers the copyright that I will lose on this video to do that for you. And if any of our members has a birthday today, they get happy birthday. Yesterday, today, or tomorrow. We've got Paddy April here from Italy. If you remember, you can call in live to the show. And Paddy called in, and this is what she said.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
There we go. That's Paddy April. I'd like to ask everybody, this is very, very important. From time to time, a YouTuber like me can have difficulties with their channel. It can have all technical issues and we can't go live for whatever reason. The only way I can back up the channel and talk to you is via Twitter. So let me give everybody my Twitter handle and hopefully you'll follow me there. And then should anything happen, should I need to reach you for any reason, here is my Twitter. There it is. Remember, all links are below all videos in the chat. There's my Twitter. It's the Day Trader 007. All right, Martin, tell us a joke. Walmart, I don't do jokes. Do I do jokes? I don't do jokes. Walmart shares are looking good. Yeah, there's Target up 3.72. Walmart, I'm still down on it. But we're up 3.38%. But great dividends. Oh, I've lost my camera there for a minute. Let's see. Let's get the camera back. Bear with me. We've lost the camera. That's because of static. Let's get the camera back. There you go. We sometimes lose the camera due to static in the studio. Okay, I have to keep still. It does happen in the studio. There's a lot of equipment running and it gets static. So let's go through our stocks right now. Okay, we've held 5. We've held 5 on Twitch today. We might have 3 tomorrow. If there's anybody else who could just open a tab up quickly, we could do it. We could do it now. Here is my Twitch one more time. Do not abandon YouTube, but just open a second tab if you can. We've got 5, and I think we just might get 3 tomorrow. It might be there. You got the static band on? Yes, I've got the static band. But sometimes it still doesn't quite work. YouTube share. YouTube share. What's that? J8. I don't know what that means. Right. If you're enjoying this show, all these stocks and shares, when the show finishes, once you've entered the cash prize draw and you want to win some money, if you want to, you can go and chill out to my music. This is the Day Trader channel. On the homepage is my music channel. Here it is. If you want to go and check out some music, I will give you the channel. Love you to subscribe to my channel and check out my music. After the shows, you can go and hear me sing Sweet Child of Mine or Billy Joel or Elton John or whatever you like. And there is the, there it is. Here's one of our members, Bill.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
There you go. That's what it's all about. Okay, now then. Virgin Galactic is down 6.09 right now. We're getting to new lows with Virgin Galactic. I'm not buying any more, though. I refuse to buy any more. I'm fully invested. I haven't got any more money to spend. I'm not going to borrow any money. Margin now is increasingly more expensive. It's 4.5% on Robinhood, which is one of the cheapest. But if you borrow money on margin now, you've got to make 4.5% just to break even. It's much harder. Martyn, I said to people that they should hold their crypto. Now is the time to profit on recession. Is WEX still up? Let's have a look. Tom wants to look at WEX. As a member, we can look at it. If a member wants to see something, we will share it on the screen. Here is WEX. This is Tom's interest. Let's have a look. WEX today. Tom's got some interesting news up. It's up 4% today. It's popped up. Very nice. There we go. Martyn, I'm not being funny, but when I click the link, I don't get your profile. Really? Let me check that. Hang on. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's check that. You're absolutely right. That's not right, is it? That's not right at all. Okay, everybody ignore that. There seems to be something a little bit of a miss here. I don't know why that is. That could be spam or some hacking on my channel. Let me double check that. Let me try that again. Thank you very much for alerting me of that. Let's try again. Let's try again. There we go. That's better. Thank you very much. Who was it who brought that to my attention? Uzi Maki, thank you very much. All right. Can everyone just check that? That is correct now. That should be right now. I don't know why that was. That works. Thank you very much indeed. If you're not yet a subscriber to my music channel, please do. I don't know why that is. Very peculiar stuff. All right. Uzi Maki, thank you very much. Right, back to WEX for Tom. Yep, WEX is looking good. Tom, I think, wants to call in. If you want to call in, Tom, please give us a call in right now. The Discord channel is open. If you want to call in, you can. Have your say. Shiba is pumping. Market profit. I never thought you'd be interested in this one. Still so much speculation. Oh, you're not in it, are you? Or you're just alerting us. Are you into sheep? I wouldn't have thought you would be. Still so much speculation in these markets. More proof we are far from a bottom. Space Ape. Sheep and Doge both need to go away for crypto to move forward. I know, we've explained it. There's too much nonsense and rubbish and all of this stuff. It confuses everybody. A lot of people now, it's like a cult. A lot of people are aggressive. We get it all the time. People try and promote a certain thing. We've had to remove people from our channel because of it. And as we said this morning, it does ruin the whole, you know, we have had all kinds of problems market. I've had hundreds of emails, silly comments, making up stories, all the rest of it. No, Tom, I didn't copy the wrong link. It was the right link. It just goes somewhere else. I'm going to clean out my my browser history today and see what's going on there. Anyway. Space Ape explains why Doge is a problem. Paul B, I mean, this is what we need. We need to get rid of half the crypto market, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, because majority of the world who haven't invested in crypto see it as scammy and culty and aggressive. And I mean, everyone's trying to hack. I mean, look at all the Bitcoin fraudulent videos, and everyone's trying to scam Bitcoin. It's awful. When that goes away, the regular man on the street will feel more comfortable about it. Paul, Doge was invented to make fun of the speculative crypto space. It was meant as a joke. Uzumaki says, I like Matic and Polygon. That's the one I like. To be honest with you, I've stopped looking for now. I've stopped looking until it all levels itself out. Ethereum is dropping again now. There we go. BTC is falling again. I might have a little go at it when it gets around 10,000 again. But anyway, so is BSV today. I'm up 13%, but it's going back down again. Martin, high dollar is cryptocurrency. Oh, I see. High dollar is cryptocurrency. It's from beta version. It was just listed in the CoinMarketCap. You should check it. Well, it might not be... available in Robinhood, but I will look for you because that's what I'm using. High dollar. I doubt if it will be on here. High dollar. No, it's not in Robinhood, so I can't share it. And for integrity of the show, I only share what I'm doing here on Robinhood because everyone can see everything. If I had other portfolios with other cash and money on the side, people wouldn't really know my real position, and I need to be honest about my real position. So it's all here on one place. Space Ape. Paul, even when you ask the people that buy it why, they say because of Elon. Well, that has nothing to do with the coin. I absolutely agree. Space Ape, we have proved that. We did a poll, and I put out a film all about the truth of crypto. And we did a poll, and 60 or 70% of people said they didn't know what Michael Saylor was saying at all. Like, at all. And then I asked the same people, now you don't know what Michael Saylor is saying about Bitcoin, did you go out and buy it? And the same amount, 60, 70% said, yeah. So basically, sheep followed sheep over a cliff. That is the reality of it. And if Elon Musk says buy it, there are millions of people who will buy it. They don't even know why they're buying it. And until that nonsense goes away, it brings down the really good stuff. I think orange juice is much better than crypto. I think orange juice is better than Tango. But I don't know about crypto. But I'm right what you're saying. Let's have a look. I've been in Matic from 0.18 cents. So yeah, quite some time. But I'm not currently holding significant amount of anything. There we go. Evening, folks. Listening in but driving. Rob McLean is driving. Shall we bring in our members right now? The green room is open. No one's calling in right now, so we can hear from our members. This is our members who have called in. If you want to have your say on the show, if you want to call in, if you want to be on Discord, you need to be a member of the Day Trader. It's one of the many, many perks. So let me invite all of you now to join. If you go in your super chats, guys, some of you will find that you are already you've got a free super chat. And if you're very lucky, and if somebody's very nice today, somebody in here might decide to tip the show for a song or just to tip the show. And when you tip the show, you can do it by giving out memberships. And there you go. Somebody might win one today. Hiya, Sam. How are you? And if you wish to access Discord and talk to all the traders, the investors, you can see all the public channels. If you want the member channels, you need to be a member. William Caron is here. Your BSV involvement has attracted a lot of crypto, bro. It has. And the reason for it is I've had some viral success on TikTok. That's the main reason. That's the main... Sam has been a member for 2 months. There you go. Wicked stuff. Yet you will see. Let me share with you. This is exactly why... This is why we're getting a number of crypto people coming into the show. Because I have a very high video on TikTok. I'll show you. I have 250,000 views within 48 hours. I now rank #1 in the world for SPCE stock. And for some reason, I'm ranking now for Bitcoin, which is bizarre, as I don't even know anything about it. There you go. Right, look here. Look here on the top shelf on the left. Just down there. See? 260,000 views. 260,000 views. 250,000 views. 250,000 views. So there you go. I rank #1 for SPCE, and I'm also now ranking, not in the top by any means, but I'm now ranking on Google for Bitcoin, which is bizarre, as I know bugger all about it. But does anybody know anything about it? Well, some people think they do. I don't know. Good for your channel. Thanks, William Caron. Appreciate it. Rob Brennan, where are the housing numbers released by USA? I'm in the green room, says Tom. What housing numbers? The housing market is on its knees at the moment. House prices, mortgage rates are going up, and of course, inflation is going up, and house prices are falling. So we've got CMV Studio in the house today. So we're going to bring Tom into the show. So CMV Studio is live on the show. Good afternoon, Tom. You're live on the Day Trader. How are you?
Hi, Martin. How you doing?
There he is. There he is. The man in the green pullover. He knows what I'm talking about. What's life like over in the UK today, Tom?
You know, all going good. Obviously, I did catch up with you before the show as we have one of our catch-ups, and I did say there was some big news coming out of the WEX marketplace at the moment. So obviously that's why their stock is sitting up at 4% up today. WEX are joining the EV market. Not so much in the case of from the vehicles perspective, but from the payments perspective. So a bit of background about WEX. WEX are working with ExxonMobil, who are obviously ESSO in the UK and around the world. And WEX look after the payment side of it from a business perspective. So they are joining the EV payment solutions side of things.
When you say payment solutions, what do you mean, payment solutions?
So in terms of a business having an EV vehicle, they obviously need to charge it if they can't charge it from the office, or an employee can't charge it from their home. So if they are out and about on the road and they need to charge the vehicle up, they need to obviously have an option to be able to pay for it that's in a secure method for the business to do that. That's where WEX and ESSO are coming into the market. BP and Shell are already in that industry, but they haven't got a direct stock related to the EV element, whereas WEX will be looking to bring that in as a brand new company to that.
It's the bell. The bell's just gone. It's 3 o'clock. Okay, sorry, Tom. Carry on.
That's all right. Yeah, so WEX are looking to bring that in as a brand new business element to what they're doing. They haven't announced yet whether or not they're going to run it as a new company or still run it through the current WEX marketplace. That is still being discussed by WEX out the way of things. But WEX's sort of sister company / competition company, Radius Payments, have already launched into the EV market quite strongly. Their offering came out a couple of weeks ago, so that's sort of another addition to the EV market side of things. And as I said, BP and Shell are already massively involved with it, and obviously using the way they get all of their power for the EV charging is 100% renewables. So that's going to be a very big push coming from them in the next sort of 6 to 12 months. From
So
what I'm hearing.
would you say WEX is like a fuel card? Is that what it is?
Yeah, WEX run the fuel cards for ESSO. They got the agreement about 10 to 15 years ago. They've had the agreement ever since. They've expanded that into Europe, so their European offerings are really big now. And it's the same with Shell and BP. They run it via fuel card options as well. But where ESSO are looking to sit with it is they don't want something that can also give fossil fuel ability on their card. They want to push the renewable fuel sources heavily. They're never going to get rid of fossil fuels as a company because it's where they got their initial contract for it, but it's the renewables is their next big plan at the moment.
Okay, now I like this, Tom. I appreciate you calling in. I think we'll put this out as a video, so you'll be the star of this video if you don't mind. So I've recorded your content there. Let me just put a top and tail to this video. So just stay in the green room just for a minute. But I'm going to make this into a video which can come out at the end of today's show. So let me just stay where you are just a second. And here we go. So I'm going to bring this in. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. We've got some really interesting news here on WEX. WEX, that's ticker symbol WEX. And live on the phone right now, calling in via Discord, we have Tom, CMB Studio. And if you go look below in the information of this video, in the description, you'll see the link to his channel. Go and check him out. I'm sure he'd appreciate a subscriber or two. But anyway, we've got him live on the show. So let's hear from Tom on CMB Studios. All right, Tom, stay there you are. Then I'll cut to you, and now I'll do the ending. So there we go. That's CMB Studio Tom, who gave us some great inside information there on WEX. He's just found this information out and shared it with us, and I hope you'll find that interesting. Maybe you'd like to get into WEX. Anyway, either way, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me do a thumbnail on that one. All right, there you go, Tom. I'll come back to you now. Let me just come back to a different screen where I can share you. And, excuse me. There you go, Tom. Are you still with me?
Yeah, I'm still there.
There you go. So what I'll do is I'll put the intro, you in the middle, and that at the end. And that can be your own video. And hopefully you might get a few subscribers for calling in and sharing the information. But I tell you what, Tom, that's quite interesting, mate.
Yeah, no, it's always good, especially when you get sort of the information direct from WEX themselves. So it's always nice when they release those little snippets and nuggets of info to put out into the marketplace. Absolutely,
absolutely great. Well, Tom, as you're on the phone, we've already got a soundbite from you, so we don't need another soundbite. But is any of your friends who are watching, or any of your friends who are in the live chat now, you want to say hello to?
Well, I was going to say there's one other thing that we can promote. Obviously, you've got that wonderful little timer just below you there with 5 days, 16 hours to go. And, of course, we know what that is. That is the Day Trader's first birthday.
Yes.
So, of course, I believe you're doing an all-day stream for that, rather you than me on that one. Been there, done that. That's always going to be fun.
Yeah,
but,
that's right.
Of course, at the end of that, we have the CMB Studio Party, which I cannot wait to bring you guys that set. So it's going to be a fun part.
I tell you what, Tom, are you going to be free when I finish here in a minute?
It will be. Right,
we'll have a little chat and we'll test it out when we send one show to another. We'll do that little test and we'll see if we can work it out. But Tom, anything else you'd like to say hello to all the family here today?
Of course, always got to say hello to the family. It's part. It's what we are. We are a family. It's the Day Trader family, and it has been for pretty much on a year now, and just really say thank you to every single one of you for helping the channel grow. Because, okay, Martyn can sit there day after day, and as he has done for 12 months, we've got the Discord being built in the background and everything going on. But if it wasn't for everyone that's tuning in and watching, then it can get very lonely with 1 or 2 viewers. But the number of viewers we're getting and the channel growth is absolutely remarkable.
Yeah, it is. It's been absolutely great. Well, Tom, thanks for calling in. I will call you after the show, and we'll have a little, we'll have a tech run through about how we share to one channel to another. That'd be absolutely awesome. And thank you very much for doing the party for me. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to be sitting here all day. Even when I'm on a break, we're going to have the screen running. I'm going to be sitting here eating my dinner. And it'll be fantastic. We're all Paul B says when we're all bots. There's not one real person. Every single person is a pretend person. Pretty clever, that, isn't it? Anyway, Tom, real pleasure as always. I'll speak to you in a bit. There's Tom from C. Cheers, mate. Bye bye. There's Tom C&V Studios. Always a pleasure having him on the show. Nice chap, always helping out, lovely stuff. All right, okay. As you heard, the bell has gone. We are now in the after hours, and you might want to have a little look at Wex. I will put that video out shortly. Now then, we've got another competition video. We had Paul B's competition video this morning. I gave away all my Doge. But if you want to win $10 on Friday, each time you watch it all the way through, you can win $10. All right. Here is the competition video. I've put it in the chat right now. Please watch it all the way through. If you don't watch it all the way through, please do not waste your time. It will not count. Every time you watch it all the way through, and every time you leave a comment, including the word SPCE, you will be in the draw for Friday opening bell for $10. All right, there you go. There's the competition video. But we are going to wrap up the show. Bill, how is your week, says Alicia. If anybody wants to call in, the broadcast lounge is still open. If you'd like to have your say. EV and payment app, two of the important buzzwords to get to pump. You might be right there, but I've got no money at the moment to invest. I'm fully invested. It doesn't matter if the greatest thing in the world came along. It doesn't make a difference. I'm not going to borrow money on margin at huge amounts as it is now, so it is what it is. Martin, I've seen the video on Virgin Galactic. I think it will be Elon Musk who will come out of the space bus. Yes, the space bus. I think so too. Wouldn't it be absolutely great to have Elon Musk come out of the space bus? I absolutely agree. Virgin Orbit in the after hours is moving back up now. Why don't I buy some more? Because I'm fully invested. It popped up 10% this morning, and then it dropped back down again. If you look at SPCE, it's also pushing up in the after hours. Let's have a little look on our stocks right now. Ethereum is tumbling at the moment. It's had a good day though. It's up down 0.91. BTC is up 1.12. BSV is down 3%. Big drop today on BSV. I'm still up 13% on it at the moment. Enphase Energy. This is a good one. Have you seen it? Have you looked at this? 23,000%. Probably one of the highest growth stocks of all time. I don't know if anyone's ever seen a stock that's made more money than that. I am in it. I have got shares in it, and I'm holding it, and that's good. Ginkgo Bioworks, it's just down a bit today. It was still up. Tilray Brands is trying to push up in the after hours. Hopefully we can get some money out of that. On doing okay, just dropped back a bit today. Canoe, same thing, up, just going sideways. Tesco's going sideways now. Target's had a good day, sideways in the after hours. Walmart just dropping back slightly in the after hours. Rolls-Royce, I'm down 5%. I would like to sell this and get my money out. Don't see it really making me any money at the moment, but there you go. PayPal is flat. I'm down 8%. I've not got much in it anymore as I used to have. IonQ is down again. So it's up, sorry, but I'm down 5% on it. SoFi is moving up in the after hours. Meta is flat in the after hours. Microsoft flat, but it's up 2.46 today. Google is up today, 3.83, and just even up slightly in the after hours. Johnson & Johnson up 2.16. That's great. Great dividends for that. And Coke, my two staples that hold my portfolio up, all part of the S&P 500, of course. I don't necessarily have to own them. I already get the benefit to them via S&P, but nevertheless, I do like to own them. Robinhood is... I wonder why this isn't... My static band doesn't seem to be having the effect it normally does. I'm knocking out my own cameras here with the static. Apple going sideways. Amazon is up slightly. And there we go. That's the end of our stock run through. looking pretty good. Overall, we're up 3.7. Let's do day trader of the day. Right after our commercial break, we'll do day trader of the day. So if you're watching live right now, obviously you are. Well, actually, you might not be. You might be watching this next week. But if you are watching live right now, click the like button, turn it from grey to red after the ad. Here it comes. And now we've got day trader of the day, and we're going to find out who is our top trader of the day. If you're watching on the repeat or watching live, give us a subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. We've got 28 likes. I'm going to bring Mr. Mini-Me up. We're going to do the day trader of the day right now. And I'm going to give 1 minute on the clock, and I want 30 likes. I want 2 more likes in the next 1 minute. Are you ready? Let's do it. We need 2 more likes. We've got 28. Here's Mr. Mini. Chiggy, 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 ba, ba. Chiggy, chiggy, ooh. There we go. 28 likes. We need 2 more likes to get the likes up today. Here we go. Let's see if we can do it. 42 seconds to go. 29 likes. 1 more like. 1 more like. Chiggy, 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 oop, ba, ba. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Stand up, stand up. There you go, that'll do. Fantastic stuff. All right, Daunty 101, just subscribe. Wonderful stuff. 32, look at that. We absolutely smashed it. Wonderful stuff indeed. There you go. Thank you. Another subscriber, Daunty 101, just subscribe. Thanks to you. Thanks for being here. Thanks so much indeed for doing that. Let me clear Mr. Mini-Me. Take him off the screen. There he's gone. Right, okay. All right now then, if you enjoyed the show today and you think, do you know what? I've made a bit of money. I'm in a mood. I'm in a good mood or a bad mood. Perhaps you'd like to check out my music here on the on YouTube, and I'll give you the link right now. Here it is. Here is my YouTube channel. I'll put it in the chat. Go and give me a subscribe, and then after the show, you can go and check out some music. And the featured song today is Martyn Lucas, The Lady in Red. If anyone hasn't seen it, this is our featured song today. And let's have a look here. Lady in Red. You'll like this one. One of my favourite videos. There it is, The Lady in Red. If you've not seen this, I'll give you a little teaser. I'll give you. Awesome stuff. Good. Right, we've come to the end of the show. I'm going to call Tom. I've got to get the WEX video out. And don't forget, the competition video is in the chat right now. And that is the video, SPCE. Leave the comment SPCE and you can be in the cash prize draw for Friday. All right, let me have a quick look and see if there's anything we need to see. Who's commented first? Who's in the competition? We've got Saraba. Sarab is in the competition. Who else? Let me have a quick look. Who else has commented already? We have, only the best, just subscribe. Only post the best. Absolutely right. Only one person has entered so far. Incredible. Only one person has entered the competition. So that's, I guess you're all going to do it after the show. All right, there you go. Tomorrow, Martin, play for us Van Beethoven Symphony. I can play you classical music on the piano right now. If you give me a $10 super chat, I can do that. If you become a member, you get it as a gift when you become a member. But I have to ask for a tip, though, because if I play any music in my show, I lose the money for the show because I play copyrighted music. So if you wish to cover the copyright, buy a $10 super chat, or become a member, I will play you a bit of Beethoven right now, live in the show, on my piano. But without that, I can't, I'm afraid. Otherwise, I'd lose money on my show. And I don't want to lose money on the show. That seems pretty pointless, right? All right, okay. Thank you ever so much, everybody who followed me over on Twitch today. Tom, stand by. I'm going to give you a call in a minute. But before we go, you all know what time it is. Day Trader of the Day. So go to your main portfolio. I am up 3.9%. Go to your main portfolio and you can see where I get that number from. My main portfolio on the day, 3.91. See it there? That's my portfolio, what I'm up today. Let's put that in the chat for you there. I'm going to go. Hi, all Musa is here at the end of the show. How are you, Moose? Lovely to have you here. All right, I'm going to do a gift now. I'm going to do a gift. My gift today is to Musanella. He's been a member now. Can you see? He's one of the first. Oh, hang on. You've got a different channel today. You've signed in with a different channel, Moose. You've signed in with a different channel. But I happen to know that's Musa. And he's signed in with a different channel, okay? But he is our very first. He's a gold member, but he's the first person to have his badge turn gold. Because he's been a member now for 6 months. So he's been a member for 6 months as a gold member. One of the most valuable members of our channel. And because of that, I'm going to do something now for Musanella. I'm going to feature our member. He was the very first person to get a gold badge. All of you will get gold badges soon, but he was the first one. All right? You go green, yellow, gold, pink, red. Okay? So, because of that, I want to do a little gift for our friend here. So, on the day trader, as you can see, he's right at the top because he's a gold member. He's right next to me. And going to click on him. And he has 48 subscribers right now. On this channel. Oh, hang on a minute. He's got another channel. Oh, I see. He's got another channel. This is the one we want to feature. This one here. This is the one we want to feature. Trading Without Emotions. Mozart. Here we go. 1003. This is the channel we want to promote. Okay. So I'm going to help Moose right now. Have you got any videos on this channel yet? No videos yet, but we're going to launch it for you, all right? You ready? All right, Moose. There is Moose's new channel. He's one of our members, and we always promote our members. There you go. I've given it to you 4 times in the chat. You're always very generous and absolutely, Moose. Right, he's on 1.03, 1030. If you could all go and subscribe, I want to turn 1030 to 1040. And we're going to put a 1 minute on the clock, and then we'll do Day Trader of the Day. All right? I've already given you my score. All right? 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute. Everyone do it. Let's do it. Let's help out a fellow friend here, member of the family. I'll give it you again. He's got 1030. You ready? Let's get him 1040. 40 seconds. You ready? Here we go. Now, you may have already subscribed to him, so it may not jump up today, but we'll try anyway. 1030. Has everyone done it? Remember, it goes up in tens, so it may have gone up 9 and I can't see it. So, it may have gone up 9 and I can't see it. Because over 1,000, it does it in tens. We'll do it again. And 1030. Moose, you could tell me, has it gone up? Because at the moment, I can't see because it goes up in tens once you go over 1,000. So maybe you could tell us if anybody subscribed to you. All right, that's it from me. Tom, I'm going to call you in a minute. We got the cash prize giveaway now. Here it is. Go and watch the SPCE video. Watch it all the way through. And enjoy my music on my channel as well. That's it. Thank you very much. There's the competition video in the chat right now. Cool stuff. I will see you all back in the morning for the opening bell. 5 days to go. And tomorrow morning, there will be a big surprise. Moose, you know the old mug? Do you know the old mug routine? The cups. Tomorrow morning, we release the limited edition. It will only run for 5 days. The 1 year anniversary mug. It comes out in the morning. There's a limited number. It's first come, first serve, and it releases in the morning. Everyone can get a discount. It's a special discount for everyone. because it's a limited edition, our first anniversary, limited number, and it releases in the morning. When they're gone, they're gone. There's only a limited number, and it comes out in the morning. Okay, so look forward to that in the morning. Fantastic. Right, time to get off. I'll see you back in the morning. Just leaves me to say, but it's a new channel, Moose. Yes, it is. It's a new channel for Moose. Let me see if has it changed. 1030. I'm looking at it now. 1030. No, it's the same. Musanella would need to tell us if he's gained some, because it goes up in tens. All right, that's it. I'll see you back in the morning. Be here in the morning. First come, first serve. Is it the one I bought from Martyn? It is the one I bought from Martyn. That's right. He's starting brand new. That's my subscribers I had before. SNDL Dashers Pickers. Dasher Pickers, good afternoon. You've just joined us right at the end of the show. We're just closing up now. So, guys, I'll see you all back in the morning. Thank you for being here. We've got 5 days just left now to our birthday. It's a special. We got the special events and stuff like that. If you want to send in a video and be live in the show, call in or send in a video. Send it via Discord, and you can be live. You can have your message played out to everyone throughout the birthday. So make a little video, send it in via Discord, and you can have your video played on the show. Go and check out the cash giveaway video of SPCE, and I'll see you back in the morning. Tom, stand by. I'm going to call you to go through our special event for next Monday. Very exciting stuff. That's it from me. Be the first person to leave a like for the morning. Let the video finish. And you can be the first person in the chat to leave a like and leave a comment, because we're looking for the Day Trader of the Year. And at the end of the year, there's a star prize to our most engaged viewer. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.